he's tearing that bird apart. Huh.
I'm gonna park right here.
Damn, he's like on that fool. He's like pecking at his feathers. Keep up the good work. Oh no, I flew away.
Park right here because